Julie Wynn here, and today we are going to talk about the power of creating your vision board. What is a vision board? A vision board is just a physical representation of your heart's deepest wishes, desires, and goals. Making vision boards has been so important in my life. And everything that I've done in my life and are experiencing, it's because I actually sat down to do the work and to dream like, ooh, wouldn't that be fun to travel around the world, teach and inspire other people through dance. At the time I created that dream, it was a complete impossibility, that's a word, and now sitting here in the future, I've been actually doing that for the past 4 years. So anyway, I am a true believer in creating your vision boards, and now that we are all on quarantine, it is the best time to do this. This is a really great opportunity to kind of go inward and to see when we are allowed to come out of our houses again, what do we want to experience? How do we want our life to look like? What do we want to see in the world? So easy, and all you need is, you can do it on a poster board. I like to do it on a poster board, but I also like to do it in notebooks, because then I can separate my ideas. So like for instance, this is what I want to experience. I don't actually want a big house like this, but when I travel and do Airbnbs, I definitely want to experience houses like that. So yeah, you can definitely separate these ideas in, you know, what you want professionally, what you want to do as far as travel, what you want spiritually, what you want mentally, what you want to experience, things that really super inspire you. So get creative and don't limit yourself. You're also going to need scissors, glue, colored pens, markers, colored pencils, and then magazines. I love the self-help magazines like the Oprah magazines or the fitness magazines, because they just have a lot of inspiring words. So once you have all of your materials, you're just going to flip through and find any words that are calling to you. So strength or power, those are the first 2 words on that page. You get the idea. Then you just go through and start cutting out words or pictures that are inspiring to you. I like to kind of do both. I don't know if you can see this. I'll come closer. This is one that I made, so I have pictures on it. This is another one, and then I kind of write around it as well. So, but again, there are no rules to this. I think the most important thing to remember is to not edit yourself. Just whatever feels good, pay attention to the feelings. There's a whole one in here in my own personal notebook of all the things I want to experience. So I want to experience flying first class everywhere I go, because I've never done that. And I want to experience the nicest hotels. And recently I got flown to California, Santa Monica. I got put up in this nice swanky old hotel right across from Santa Monica Pier, something that I would never do for myself. And it just kind of manifested into my life, because that's what I want to experience. It was so nice. So you guys, have fun, dream big, be wild. Yeah, and just see kind of what comes up. Just pay attention to the thoughts that start in your mind, and then also pay attention to if you're feeling worthy of it or not. So a lot of when we're starting to wish for things and want things, we have to pay attention to, you know, if we actually think that's going to happen or not. So just put that unworthiness, or that could never be me, or whatever. Just put all that aside and just allow yourself to step into the experience of that just for a moment. So, all right, I hope that helps. Make your vision board. You know, you guys, we have time. Have fun with it, and then send me a picture. You can tag me in your post on whatever social media thing you do. I'm only really on Instagram, so I'd love to see what you're doing, and if you need any help or support, just let me know. All right, I love you, and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.